Lemmes, and today's vlog is it's actually pretty late in the day because I was tired in the morning. So it's 3:03 right now. Excuse me. I have the hiccups for some reason. And I am going to go, me and my family, we're going to go look at this house. We're all going to go look at the house. And we couldn't see it online, so we're going to look at it like in person. It's not too far away. We're going to go at 4:30. So we have like an hour and a half. And I might do an outfit of the day because my outfit's on fleek, and I just got new shorts to go with the shirt because, okay, this shirt's kind of dirty up here, but it's okay. So it says girls support each other. I'll just show you it in the mirror so you can see my full look. Okay, so I got this shirt from JCPenney, and it says girls support each other and has peace signs, and it's blue and rainbow. And then I got these shorts from Walmart, and they're rainbow, and I like them. And then I got this headband from Justice. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So I got a package in the mail, and it came with some snow, and I'm so excited to use it. So it came with 10 packs, but me and my sister split the 10 packs, and there's 5 and 5, and I got 5. And I'm so excited to make slime. They had the hiccups. Somebody try to scare me, please. So we're going to make this. Oh my gosh. So I'll show you it. It's from China. Instant snow. Just add water. And it says it makes it 100. It expands 100 times the original size. So we're only going to use only one packet for like 2 slimes, because I bet this will take up 2 slimes unless you want like a cloud cream. I mean, actual cloud fluff. But if I just want cloud cream, then I'll just add the whole pack. But I don't really want cloud cream because I really just want to add water. So, yeah. So I was on the FaceTime with Liv earlier, and she said that she's going somewhere in her vlog tomorrow. She's going today, and she's not gonna film tomorrow, but because she's gonna do something tomorrow, so she's just gonna film today and then post tomorrow like we always do. I do that. And I did clean up my room a little more, and you guys never seen my room, like a room tour, but you've seen around it. But if you guys didn't notice, this wasn't here, and this was here, but the flower thing used to be here. And I moved it over here, and then I took the red basket behind there. Like, there's space next year. See behind my TV. And yeah. So, I'll get back to you when we go see the house or when Olivia gets here. So, let's go. Okay, guys. So, if I always go to get supplies in here, this is my slime drawer. Like, this whole thing is slime. So, like, this is slime supplies, and this is slime. I'll go through that in a tour of my room or a tour of my slime drawers. But, yeah, that's what I just wanted to show you. Okay, guys, so I'm in the car, and I'm waiting for my parents to come out because we have to be there at 4:30 at the house. And it is already 4:26, and it's close to us, so we don't have to really rush. But, like, my family is trying to leave, and my sister's like, I'm telling them to look at this thing. Yeah, and we're going to go to Walmart after we go to this place. Or we're going to go eat somewhere, and then we're going to go to Walmart. But I'm sorry if I film like this all the time when I'm at stores. But, like, I'm not used to holding a tripod everywhere I go because, yeah. But this is going to be what it's going to look like probably. Like this. Not gonna be like that, but hopefully it don't take too long because I'm roasting. I'll get back to you when I'm at the house. We're here. Guys, this house isn't the house we actually looked at online. This is a different house, and we didn't end up looking at the right house because the other house was already sold by somebody else.
It's alright.
Okay, guys,
Stay on this.
Oh,
yeah,
sorry.
everything's new in this.
Should I take my shoes off or something?
For his AC, from what she said, pretty much everything is new. Here's the listing folder for you too. And I'm logging into the MLS right now. How many rooms?
This is nice.
That's why I said this was 3 bedrooms. That's why I texted you that.
Nice.
Yeah. But yeah.
Okay, guys, like this is like mine. This is so tiny. Oh my gosh, I'm looking in the closet. Oh, that's really small. My closet's bigger. Okay, that's too small for me. I can't. This room would be the master of it. Mommy and Daddy's room. Basement? I think I found it. Yep.
I want to go down there.
Daddy, can we go?
Daddy.
Can we go see the basement? This basement looks so new.
This looks like Taylor's basement.
It is. This is huge. It's bigger than ours.
It's open, guys. It's not big. It's not necessarily bigger. It's an open basement.
Oh, it's nice. I hate this basement.
Yeah, it's an open. See, they haven't finished any of it. Ours is partially finished. That's the difference. Yeah, and see, they had theirs dug out and they had it waterproof. It's nice. But yeah, this is
A really nice. I would actually live here though. Actually, but like the rooms.
Just my house.
I would, yeah. This house. This is the only thing I like about it. Okay, guys, I don't really know if I like this house because, like, this is a nice bathroom, but there's nowhere to hang your shower curtain, which we would have to put in. But this toilet area, there's a little attic down there. This is nice, though. This will be my room. It's really small. It looks really... Guys, I'm sorry. I had to make slime. I'm, like, addicted to making slime. Like, I can't. Look at this. Instant snow. Really? Do you think I'm going to pass it up? No. I'm going to obviously make slime. So, I'm going to pour in my glue. And I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to be adding red paint in it. Because I think that it's supposed to be cool. And by the way, I think it's like cool. And I don't really want like another color because I made a slime today. And I'll show that in another video. But like we told each other, me and Liv told me that we aren't gonna make slime, but like I can't hold back anymore. But we went to the place, to the house, like we're gonna go to Walmart after we eat dinner but that house was the wrong house we were looking at. So that's not actually, we were looking at the wrong house because we saw this other house and it was like actually big and it was like not that expensive. It wasn't expensive, but this house is smaller, but it's like more expensive. Makes no sense, and I don't really like it. So we're not gonna get that house, and we aren't going to get a house, but like that house if we did get a house, but we're not getting a house because my parents decided not to. But I'll get back to you when I activate this. Sorry, guys, that my camera died when I was filming. So, I already finished it a long time ago. It's been like 2 hours, maybe. This is how it turned out. It was so nice. Just got hard, but let me try to do a swirl. There's so much snow. It doesn't fluff up though. It's just cloud. Like, I don't really like it that much, but it's cool. Anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. And today's shout out we're not doing shout outs a lot, but if you subscribe you get starting now. Or if you comment something, like if I never seen your comment before, then I'm gonna subscribe to your account. And today's shout out goes to Amy McLaren. Go subscribe to her account, YouTube channel. I did. She's very close, 20,000. She's at 17,000 right now. She's a movie editor and a reviewer. So, yeah. You guys should go check her out. And that's the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, and bye, Lemmies.
What if I say I know, you know? What if I told you I like you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I like you?